Smart Weather Station, your personal meteorological hub right at home. Monitor your home and backyard conditions effortlessly with a vibrant TFT color display. Get real-time updates on temperature, humidity, wind speed, and more. Our all-in-one integrated sensor array provides precise measurements of wind speed and direction, rainfall, UV levels, and solar radiation. Everything you need to understand your environment. Whether you prefer imperial or metric, our station supports both with easy calibration for accurate readings. Stay connected. With enhanced Wi-Fi connectivity, you can transmit data wirelessly to the world's largest personal weather station network. Share your findings with others and access global weather data. Hydroponics growing system, a gadget that lets you harvest fresh herbs and veggies anywhere, anytime. Equipped with a 24-watt LED grow light, this system mimics the sun, creating the perfect indoor conditions. The adjustable panel can reach up to 21 inches, maximizing light exposure and photosynthesis for faster, healthier growth. It features a quiet water pump that runs every 30 minutes, efficiently delivering oxygen to plant roots for better growth, all while staying whisper quiet, under 20 decibels. Setup is a breeze. Just plug in, select the veggies or flowers and fruits light mode, and let the system automatically manage light cycles. And don't worry about watering. An indicator shows when it's time to refill the 3-litre tank. With 8 pods, grow a range of herbs, veggies, and more, bringing garden-fresh ingredients to your meals year-round. Grow Hub E42, a controller, your ultimate smart garden assistant. This innovative device allows you to unify all your smart gardening equipment into one seamless system. With the Grow Hub app, you can monitor temperature and humidity in real time, ensuring your plants thrive in the perfect environment. Fully automate your gardening tasks. Program light intensity, spectrum, and airflow for each growth stage. Adjust settings anytime to suit your plant's needs. Customize your experience with an easy-to-use LED display and capacitive buttons. Plus, mount it effortlessly on your tent fabric. No ugly brackets required. Control everything from anywhere with Wi-Fi connectivity. Explore grow recipes and unlock powerful settings to optimize your garden. Transform your indoor gardening experience with the Grow Hub E42A controller, the perfect addition to any smart garden setup. Get yours today and watch your plants flourish. Wi-Fi Hub for outdoor watering, the smarter way to keep your garden thriving right from your phone. With the Ratio app, you can control and monitor your watering setup remotely, meaning your plants get what they need without lifting a finger. Say goodbye to manual watering. The Wi-Fi Hub automates the entire process, ensuring consistent moisture levels for healthy growth. And here's a great feature: Smart Rain Skips. The Hub tracks weather forecasts, skipping scheduled watering when rain is expected, so no more overwatering. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, letting you start or adjust watering using just your voice. For a greener garden and peace of mind, the Wi-Fi Hub for outdoor watering is a must-have addition to your smart garden setup. Soil Moisture Meter. Moisture Meter features a large, colour-coded dial, making it easy to know at a glance if your plants need watering. Say goodbye to overwatering and underwatering. With a single probe design, this meter keeps sensitive roots safe while allowing you to get accurate readings without disturbing your plants. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor plants, this moisture meter helps you water at just the right time, ensuring healthier growth and happier plants. Add the Soil Moisture Meter to your smart garden setup and take the guesswork out of plant care. Elevate your indoor gardening game today. Scott's Wizz Spreader, the year-round solution for a perfectly balanced garden and lawn. This battery-powered spreader is designed to handle all your gardening essentials: grass seed, fertilizer, and even weed control. It's effortless, making sure your garden thrives in every season. The Wizz Spreader covers up to 2,500 square feet with ease and features EdgeGuard technology for precision spreading, keeping your lawn care products exactly where you want them. Equipped with 23 customizable settings, this spreader is built for accuracy, so you can confidently apply the right amount every time. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the Wizz Spreader is easy to use and ready to go whenever you are. Perfect for fertilizing, seeding, or weed control, it's truly a versatile garden tool. Achieve professional level results with minimal effort with the Scott's Wizz spreader. VivaSun Grow Tent, a controlled environment designed for efficient and healthy plant growth. The VivaSun tent's 100% reflective mylar lining and upgraded zippers ensure that no light escapes, creating an ideal light-proof environment that maximizes growth. Crafted with durable 600D Oxford canvas and robust metal poles, this tent can support up to 100 pounds of equipment, from grow lights to carbon filters. The Easy View observation window lets you monitor your plants without disturbing them, and the removable floor tray makes cleaning and maintenance quick and easy. Designed with multiple openings for duct fans, cords and lights, plus an internal tool organizer, this tent brings together everything you need to keep your garden tidy and efficient. With dimensions of 32.3 inches long, 14.7 inches wide and 30.7 inches high, this planter features a built-in water gauge, taking the guesswork out of plant care. Say goodbye to overwatering. Our versatile drainage system lets you control moisture levels easily. Open it to release excess water or close it to retain moisture, ensuring your plants get exactly what they need. Worried about root rot? The self-watering planter comes with a water reservoir that prevents root decay, allowing your plants to flourish without constant attention. Setup is a breeze. With easy-to-follow instructions, you'll have your planters ready in no time, integrating seamlessly into your smart garden. Perfect for creating an herb garden or simply adding greenery to your home, these planters elevate your indoor gardening experience, making it more enjoyable and efficient. Say hello to Ivy, the Mazdeo Smart Flower Pot that's more than just a pot. It's an intelligent companion that interacts with you like a pet. Let's explore what makes Ivy such a unique addition to your home. Ivy comes with built-in artificial intelligence and over 49 animations, allowing it to express emotions and interact with gestures. Over time, it develops a personality based on your interactions, creating a bond similar to having a pet. Designed with a waterproof and lightweight build, Ivy fits anywhere in your home. It weighs just 270 grams and includes a built-in battery that monitors your plant's condition for up to 48 hours, even during power outages. Ivy brings a whole new way of experiencing plants, making gardening interactive and fun. It's the perfect gift for those who love tech and nature. Self-watering vertical planters, the ultimate way to maximize your green space without the daily watering hassle. These planters come with a unique automatic dripping system. Just connect to a standard tap and the water cascades down, reaching each row of plants. Say goodbye to stagnant water and frequent watering. Each wall planter features 3 spacious pockets, ideal for growing a range of plants, from herbs and succulents to perennials and even vegetables. Perfect for those short on space, they're designed to keep your green thumb thriving, even in a small apartment. And with 12 modular planters included, you can create a customized vertical garden. Mount them all together or spread them around. It's easy to add more layers as your garden grows. These durable yet lightweight planters are built for both indoor and outdoor use. Weighing just 1.6 pounds, they're sturdy enough to secure on walls or railings without worry.